Welcome to Key Tech. Please describe this channel if you are interested in today's video. The release of Huawei Mate 60 Pro marks Huawei's breakthrough in the field of chip semiconductors. As the core processor of Huawei Mate 60 Pro, the Kirin 9000's chip has attracted widespread attention from the outside world. The Kirin 9000's chip uses advanced manufacturing technology and packaging technology, and its overall performance is comparable to the 5nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chip. However, Huawei Mate 60 Pro and other models are not yet fully sold, and the news that the yield rate of Huawei chips has increased significantly has further increased its production capacity, indicating that the full sales of Huawei Mate 60 Pro are coming soon. In addition, Huawei has also made important progress in the field of artificial intelligence chips, emerging in the competition with international competitors. Huawei continues to master the underlying chip technology, and its capabilities in chip R&D and design are increasing day by day. Through Huawei's self-developed technologies such as DaVinci, Taishan architecture, and Lingxi instruction set, Huawei has achieved continuous iteration of chips, bringing powerful performance. Huawei will continue to launch products that disrupt the industry in its future development, and the news that the Kirin 9010 chip has a running score of more than 1.3 million also proves Huawei's leading position in the chip field. With the support of the domestic industry chain, Huawei not only achieved localization of part of its chip manufacturing process, but also successfully verified the feasibility of EDA tools above 14 nanometers. The domestic industry chain is building DU6 lithography machines to further improve the chip manufacturing process and realize the full non-US 7 nanometers process. In addition, the production capacity of domestic foundries such as SMIC has continued to increase, providing Huawei with sufficient chip supply guarantee. Once Huawei's Mate 60 Pro equipped with Kirin 9000's chip was released, it demonstrated Huawei's breakthrough in the field of chip semiconductors. With its hyper-threading technology and advanced packaging technology, the Kirin 9000's chip's overall performance is comparable to the 5nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chip. Hyper-threading technology can expand the number of physical cores in the chip to the number of logical cores, improving the execution efficiency of multi-threaded applications. Advanced packaging technology can effectively reduce chip power consumption, reduce size, and improve heat dissipation performance. The excellent performance of the Kirin 9000's chip is due to the application of these advanced technologies. However, despite the excellent performance of the Kirin 9000's chip, Huawei Mate 60 Pro and other models have not been fully sold. On the one hand, the yield problem of the Kirin 9000's chip may be one of the reasons for this situation. Previously, similar situations have appeared on Kirin 9000 and Kirin 9000E chips. Although there are certain differences in performance between these chips, the characteristics of the same origin result in certain yield differences between them. However, according to the latest news from TSMC, the yield rate of Huawei chips has exceeded 50% for the first time, which means that the production capacity of Huawei Mate 60 Pro and other models will further increase. In fact, the reservation subscription time for Huawei Mate 60 Pro has been shortened from 90 days to 60 days, and Huawei tablets equipped with Kirin 9000's chips have also been fully released for sale. These signs indicate that the production capacity of Kirin 9000's chips is continuing to increase, and the full sales of Huawei Mate 60 Pro are just around the corner. In addition to breakthroughs in the field of chip semiconductors, Huawei has also made important progress in the field of artificial intelligence chips. According to iFlyTech, Huawei's Ascend 910B chip's performance in the field of artificial intelligence is comparable to NVIDIA's A100 chip, and domestic manufacturers have begun to use Ascend chips to replace NVIDIA chips. Ascend 910B is a member of Huawei's Ascend series of artificial intelligence chips. Its excellent performance has made Huawei one of the strongest competitors in the field of artificial intelligence chip manufacturing. In addition, Huawei not only owns Ascend chips, but also has independent research and development capabilities in the underlying chip technology. Huawei's self-developed technologies such as DaVinci and Taishan architecture enable Huawei to completely master the underlying technology of the chip. Even without ARM authorization, Huawei can still achieve continuous iteration and powerful performance of the chip. Huawei's Lingxi instruction set has also been exposed. The application of these technologies has further improved the performance and functions of Huawei chips. Huawei, which has made breakthroughs in the chip field, will make big moves. Huawei HiSilicon has released a poster about Vientiane core technology in 2024, which indicates that Huawei will make great achievements in the development of the chip field. Ren Zhengfei said that Huawei will become more and more difficult, but it will also become more and more prosperous. This is undoubtedly an expression of Huawei's determination to continue to make breakthroughs and break the established situation. According to the latest news, the Huawei P70 series will be equipped with the Kirin 9010 chip, which has a running score of more than 1.3 million, surpassing the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 chip. Although the authenticity of this news cannot be confirmed yet, judging from Huawei's past practices, Huawei may not announce the details of the chip, but Kirin chip iterations will continue. With the support of the domestic industrial chain, Huawei has achieved a breakthrough in localization of chip manufacturing processes. The domestic industrial chain continues to develop, and it has the ability to build DU6 lithography machines to reduce the chip manufacturing process to 7 nanometers, and will soon realize the entire non-US 7 nanometers process. The increase in production capacity of domestic foundries, such as SMIC, has also guaranteed Huawei's chip supply. These developments give Huawei a more optimistic outlook for its future development. In the context of new news about Huawei chips coming from TSMC, we can see Huawei's breakthroughs and development in the field of chip semiconductors. The Kirin 9000's chip equipped with Huawei Mate 60 Pro has excellent overall performance, with the yield rate exceeding 50% for the first time, indicating that the production capacity of Huawei Mate 60 Pro and other models will further increase, and full sales are imminent. At the same time, Huawei's rise in the field of artificial intelligence chips has attracted much attention. Huawei's Ascend 910B chip is comparable to NVIDIA's A100 chip in performance. Huawei's self-developed technologies such as DaVinci and Taishan architecture, coupled with the application of the Lingxi instruction set, make Huawei more advantageous in mastering the underlying chip technology. Huawei will make big moves in its future development. The poster released by Huawei HiSilicon indicates that Huawei will make great achievements in the chip field. Huawei's independent research and development capabilities enable it to continuously iterate chips and bring powerful performance. With the support of the domestic industrial chain, Huawei has also made breakthroughs in chip manufacturing. The domestic industrial chain has the ability to manufacture DU6 lithography machines and implement 7 nanometers processes. The increase in production capacity of domestic foundries, such as SMIC, has guaranteed Huawei's chip supply. Huawei's development prospects are optimistic. It will continue to break through and break the established rules and become an important player in subverting the industry. To sum up, Huawei's chips have shown breakthroughs after TSMC shifted its foundry to China and changed chip rules, and made significant progress in Kirin 9000's chips and other aspects. Huawei's competitiveness in the field of artificial intelligence chips continues to increase, and its independent research and development capabilities also provide support for the continuous iteration of chips. With the support of the domestic industrial chain, Huawei's chip manufacturing process and production capacity have also been significantly improved. In the future, Huawei will continue to launch products that disrupt the industry and demonstrate its strong strength in the chip field.